Hello everyone. I am Dr. Srihari Rajanambudgi Amar, MD Radiologist working at Aadhar Diagnostic Center, Mukhed. Today, 12th November, we observe this day as a World Pneumonia Day. So on this occasion, I would like to emphasize on pneumonia. What is pneumonia? Actually, pneumonia is an infection of lung parenchyma or alveoli, which is caused by various bacteria, viruses, fungi or protozoa. And most common the bacterial organism which causes the pneumonia is a Streptococcus pneumoniae, and the viruses like common cold, flu, H1N1, and then the coronavirus and the H influenza virus. These are the viruses which causes the pneumonia. So what are the symptoms of this pneumonia? So pneumonia, the first symptom is the high grade fever, and the patient will present with cough with productive sputum, and sometimes patient will experience the cough with blood, and chest pain will be there, and sometimes when the severity of the pneumonia is more, then patient may experience the difficulty in breathing, that is known as breathlessness. So and the oxygen level in the body starts falling down, that saturation levels will be dropping out. So what are the diagnostic tests we run? So we run blood test, and the mainstay in the diagnosis of pneumonia is the chest x-ray. So on chest x-ray, we radiologist, what we look, actually we see the white spots, that is called the pneumonia spots, and if we see the big white patch, that is known as a consolidation. So whenever we are in doubt, so we may require the CT scan, and to see the severity of the disease and the involvement of the lungs and the lobes, we require the CT scan of the thorax. So in that we get the score, the involvement and the extent of the disease. So accordingly we plan the treatment. And coming to the preventive measures, which are very much important. What are the preventive measures we can take to avoid the pneumonia? So first of all, the hygiene is very much important. We have to keep our surroundings very clean. And the second thing is immunization. Immunization means vaccination is very much important, and in this the exclusive breastfeeding, which means that up to 6 months of the age, every children should get only the breast milk, that is mother's milk. So that acts as a immunity booster, or it is a natural vaccination for them, and it prevents the infections, so their immunity will be strong. So coming to the pneumonia vaccines, so pneumococcal vaccine is there, which is available in market, and which can be taken by the all age group peoples, not only children, adults also can be taken this vaccine. So pneumococcal vaccine we should take. The next is a Hib vaccine. Hib vaccine is a Haemophilus influenza vaccine, and the flu vaccine, which acts against the swine flu, that is H1N1. So by taking these vaccines we can prevent the pneumonia, and these two vaccines are given in the children's. So coming to the nutrition is also important, which plays important role. We should have the nutritious food. So nutritious food plays an important role in prevention of pneumonia. We should avoid the smoking, as we have seen that smoking also a risk factor for the pneumonia. We should avoid the alcohol. Then hand sanitization is very much important, and the frequent hand washing. So we should wash our hands regularly, and then avoid the air pollution, and avoid the gatherings. Whenever you are experiencing the pneumonia symptoms like cough, cold, flu, then you should avoid the gatherings, because it may spread to the other people. And whenever you are coughing or sneezing, you should use the handkerchief in front of nose, or you can wear the masks. And these are the very much preventive measures. And you can also take the hot drinks like coffee, you can take steam inhalation, you can take tea or ginger tea. Then you should drink the plenty of water. So by these preventive measures, as we say, prevention is better than cure. So to conclude, on this occasion of World Pneumonia Day 2021, I would stop pneumonia, because as we know, WHO has predicted that by 2030 17 lakh children are going to die because of pneumonia, and which is a serious threat. So we should take these all preventive measures to prevent pneumonia, and we Aadhar Diagnostic Center are running this awareness program to prevent the pneumonia. And if you like this video, please do like, comment, subscribe our YouTube channel, and to see the further notifications, and to have the more access to the more medical videos, please follow us on our YouTube and Facebook page, and please do subscribe it. Thank you.